You can't do it for your boyfriend or girlfriend. It's got to be for you. And when I'm out here teaching these adults, I always talk about, hey, you got to get a job. You can't rely on your parents because right now I'm driving a gas powered car. My goal is eventually is to get an electric vehicle. Probably the Tesla because I like that. Get one used. I'll write it off. I already have the level 2 Neiman. Hopefully that's right. Neiman plug at the house. So all I got to do is extend it out, cut a hole in the wall, pull the wire through, remount it, and I'm there. I even though I have to call an electrician, but I want to call an electrician to make sure it's hooked up right because those electric vehicles pull a lot of current from your home electrical outlet, right? Some are 35 amp, 45 amp, 55 amp, or 65. Check me on that 65. So, because my dad was the electrician. Thank you, Dad. Driving hacks only Myles can teach you. I'm going to teach you how to drive through a business district, how to drive through rush hour traffic, how to drive in a subdivision and work on parallel parking, 3-point turnarounds, how to go to the DMV. A lot of people who come to the United States, there's some people around the world, you're like, man, I like this guy. You know, he makes me laugh. He says some funny things, but I'm speaking truth. You have to obtain your license. I'm driving a young lady who's 27. She doesn't have her license. She only has her temporary structure permit. We're on drive 6. She needs at least 4 more drives, and then she'll be ready to take her road test. Don't worry, you'll be going through that journey. Next, stress-free driving. You want to be chilled. If your coach is screaming at you, grab the wheel. You're going too slow. I told you to use your blinker. If someone is disrespecting you like that, you don't need that. You're better than that. And for a lot of you, I read your comments, there's no other coach in my area. My coach is so rude to me, so disrespectful. I feel you. I feel you when you have those negative comments. And I wish I could come there to help you. I'm in the Midwest. A lot of people reached out. New York, Florida, Texas. I'm in the Midwest, but that's where that standstill will come in. So we could do a live coaching group where I could get all of you on. We could share our journey, our story, and then map out a plan. Because I told you, I need help too with this damn store. I think I have some good stuff. I had one coaching call, sold a couple digital products. How to get to a private lesson. Okay, what you need to do is when this is done, click the link. It's for the stand store. You need to sign up for a coaching session with me. And then we can map out a good plan for you to learn how to drive. I am in the Midwest, so I want to let you know that. A lot of you are in Iowa, Texas, Florida, okay? I'm in the Midwest, so make sure when you sign up for that call that, you know, you're within the area I can get to, but also I can lead you to, yes, sign up. We can do that. So you're in Detroit, you sign up for a coaching call, okay, because I'm off, I want to say Thursday and Friday. I drive Saturday all day. I'm off Sunday. So you got to sign up for a coaching call. I think the times are open. Please sign up for an afternoon call, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know. Sign up for a coaching call, and then we can better help. Also, tap in how old you are. So I know the plan. You got to be 18 and up with your TIP. If you're 18 and under, then that's a whole new process. So sign up for that coaching call.